Alright, we have logged in to our checkpoint device, and as you can see in our web console, we have a lot of buttons here, a lot of stuff where we can click to. But what is really important, we're going to connect for network interfaces and finish off the our network configuration. So we have Ethernet 0, which is working just fine because we are able to connect via that IP address. And in our Ethernet 1, we are gonna insert the address, which is gonna be this address, 192.168.1.1. So let's do that. So right here, we're gonna click edit on our Ethernet 1, and we're gonna go for that address, 192.168.1.1, and subnet mask is 24. So we're gonna enable that. But right now it's not connected anywhere, but that's all right. We're gonna actually interconnect another machine with that. But before we actually do that, what I want to do is to download a thing, our FAT client, which is called Smart Console. So let's do that. Let's click over here, download now. And we have already done it before, but it was for the version R80.40, and you have to remember in checkpoint environment, the version of the console has to match with the version of the system where you are connecting. So just a random smart console will not just work with that specific gateway. So we need to download the version smart console for R80, R81 specifically. So let's do that in the next video.